Chocolate?
Can we get a spoon?
No, sorry. I melt the chocolate here inside, yeah? And this is the melting point between 40 50 degrees Celsius for the dark, milk, and white chocolate. I melt the chocolate because it's the first step for the tempering. And after I lower the temperature because I need for the dark chocolate 31 degrees. And this is the working temperature for the dark chocolate. And this process is the tempering, and the other name is crystallization. And do you know why I need the tempering? Why? I need for 3 reasons. Maybe? No? I need the tempering for the shine, for the crunch, for the snap, and for the molding. Because if you put the chocolate 44, 46 inside, your chocolate stick, and you need the tempering for the molding to get out. Yeah? Now you know.
Yeah, I know more.
And yes, and now it's ready. And for the praline, you know the praline.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. I need a mold for the praline. Et c'est parti. Hop. Voilà. Voilà. Alors, the first step for the praline, the first step. Okay? Tac.
Oh. Para may loob.
Un petit peu, and voilà.
Very little chocolate.
Et voilà, the first step.
Most.
Is the shape, the cover. Yeah? And now I put in the fridge for 10-20 minutes in the fridge. And voilà. Ta-da. Because I need 3 steps for the praline. Yeah? The first step in the fridge, the cover. The second step is the filling. Inside is a praline. And if you want, you can put inside caramel, ganache, red fruit. And after I close with the same chocolate, I put here and I close. Always 3 steps for the praline. Easy.
Ganun pala.
And now, because this mold is not ready, yeah. Your chocolate is dark, yeah. And I think, yeah. Ta-da! And this mold is ready.
Umangat na.
Yeah, because the tempering, yeah. Without tempering your chocolate stick, and now with tempering, stack, and the shiny, yeah.
Pag pick one each.
The tempering, easy. Sorry?
It's shiny.
Yeah, because the tempering, yeah.
Yun pala yun. Oh.
Yung buga. Bidyoan natin yung buga mo, pre. Tingnan natin. Lights, camera, action.
Hindi na lang, sir.
Kita. Galing.
Hindi, picture na.
May background.
Where can we buy it? Nag-group picture tayo dito, no?
Yeah. Nagbabagay kulay. May transition yung kulay. Oh. Nagka-transition siya, paikot. Ang galing, nice. Oh, di ba?
Das Kapital.
Por allí.
Que hay siempre, pero ellos me van Hay que tocar eso, que todo el mundo lo está tocando.
This is for the children. This is for the animals.
Children, no?
Kamay lang.
And it always comes true.
Ya, pero cásate.
Ito, pera.
This is how it will look like on December.
Parang masarap doon. Doon. Rana house. Wow! Eh, maganda dyan.
Because my wife.
Tax for export entrance.
Pag saan daw tayo pupunta?
Sa ano, mannequin piece.
Sa?
Mannequin piece.
Mannequin piece.
Yeah.
Ayun, ayun.
Yung batang ano, umiihi. Ayun.
No. Yung ba yan?
Hindi yan.
Ito raw yung premium.
Ito lang. Ito yung premium, nakan premium.